Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate eBay managed payments account verification, complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate your eBay managed payments account, begin by logging into your eBay account. Navigate to the Accounts section from your eBay homepage. Locate the Payments tab within your account settings. Click on Set up Managed Payments if prompted to do so. Review the requirements for account verification presented on the screen. Gather the necessary information, including your personal identification and banking details. If you have a business account, prepare your business identification documents. Select the Verify Your Identity option on the Managed Payments page. Follow the instructions to upload required identification documents. These may include a government-issued ID, tax identification number, or business license. Ensure all documents are clear and legible before uploading. Once your documents are uploaded, confirm that they meet eBay's guidelines. Submit your verification request and wait for eBay to process it. This process may take a few minutes to several days. Check your email for confirmation of your verification status. If additional information is needed, respond promptly to any requests from eBay. Once verified, you will receive a notification on your eBay account. Your managed payments account will now be set to receive payments. If you encounter issues during the process, visit eBay's Help Center. They provide detailed assistance for troubleshooting verification problems. Follow any additional instructions provided by eBay's support team for a smooth experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.